today? The dishes. What do I have to do today? The dishes, yes. Where are my kids? No. Dishes. Okay. You know what? Nancy, what are you? The lottery! Oh no! Get Pebbles, hurry! What is that smell? Ew, it's me! The lottery can wait. I need to take a shower.
Is this good?
Yes, that's good.
Okay. Hurry.
Hit me, baby, one more time. Following this is killing me. On the curtain, I feel it. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. What are you doing? I'm taking a shower. We have the lottery today. Okay. You need to hurry. I'm trying.
Do you think people just want to wait around for you?
No, I'm trying.
You're going to be picked for the lottery if you're really late.
Okay.
You're going to be the last one to pick.
Okay.
Okay. I can ask Pebbles to carry. I can't walk by myself.
I'm coming.
All
I'm
right.
coming.
Everybody's ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw today. Hurry. Apocalypse. Please don't look. Vitreous. Snuffleupagus. Mr. Wiggles. And then myself. Does everyone have a paper?
Yeah.
You may proceed to look.
Yes! It's not fair! It's not fair.
It is fair.
It is not fair. It's not fair!
Snuffleupagus. Stop. Snuffleupagus.
Snuffleupagus.
Stop. Stop.
Snuffleupagus.
Stop.
It's not fair.
It is fair.
It's not fair.
Get your rocks.